going over question 11. Krabby Patty's restaurant sells 8 hamburgers for every 12 customers. At this current demand, how many hamburgers did the restaurant sell if they had 228 customers in one day? My word ratio is hamburgers to customers. My proportion is 8 hamburgers to 12 customers. I have 228 customers, so it must go down here. If I want, I can multiply this. So I would do 8 times 228 equals 12C. And I can solve that because it's cross multiply and divide. Another way I can do it is I'm going to come over here and go 8 over 12 equals x over 228. I really don't want to divide by 12, so I'm going to realize that there are 4's in 8 and 12. I'm going to divide by 2, divide by 2. I have, and in fact, I can divide by 4. So I'm going to divide by 4, and I'm going to have 2/3. So now I have 2/3 equals x over 228. As long as they are equivalent, I can manipulate them to make easier math. So then I can multiply 228. 2 times 228 equals 3x. 2 times 228 is 456 equals 3x. I can divide 456 by 3 and get 1, 5, 2. So I know that I have how many hamburgers? My answer would be 152 hamburgers. I set up a proportion. Here, if I have $2.25 for a half gallon, and I want the unit rate, which means I want this to be 1 gallon. Well, a half and a half is a whole, or I can cross multiply and divide, or I can change this into a decimal, which is 0.5 gallon. A half and a half is a whole. I would go here, and so I would have here, and I would have 2.25 times 1 equals 1/2 x. I have to multiply by 2 over 1, multiply by 2 over 1. So I have $4.50 for 1 gallon.